Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and within this video, I'm going to explain how to open the GoPro HERO9 Black. Now you may say, man, that's a stupid question. Why don't you know how to open your GoPro camera? Well, some people may not know how, and I'm going to make it really simple. So this is a different, the GoPro HERO9 Black is a different camera design, especially if you've dealt with the older model GoPros. I've been using GoPro since GoPro Hero 2. I'm an old dude. So check out all my videos, check out my GoPro video playlist, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell. But to open it, it's actually really simple. So the side of the GoPro where you've got the forward-facing screen, you go to the side, and then you'll see this little groove type thing. What you do is pull down on that. And while you're pulling down, you pull out. So see, I'm going to demonstrate that again. So with the GoPro closed, on this side, you're going to pull down on this, and you're going to pull out and up. To close the GoPro, push, and then push and make sure that closes, see? So again, to re-demonstrate, to open, you're going to pull down on this. While you pull down, you're going to kind of pull out and lift. And see, and here's where your battery and your microSD card go. And then to close it, you're going to push down, and then you're going to snap that up. So to demonstrate again, that's to open, and then to close, see that drops down, but see that's not closed because you see an air gap. So you push, see, but it's still not closed because you see this little doohickey right here, there's a gap. So you'll push and then push up. And that, whoa, I turned the camera on. So actually that made a snap sound. So that is super cool. And but yeah, that's how to open and close the GoPro HERO9 Black Edition. So if you have any questions, ask away. I'm here to post as many GoPro HERO9 Black videos as you want me to. And no question is stupid. So ask. I mean, this may have been an elementary topic for some of y'all, which is fine. Pat yourself on the back. You're brilliant. But if it provided value, like this video, share with others, subscribe, ring that bell icon. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. And check out all of my old GoPro videos and then all of my new GoPro HERO9 Black videos. I've got a GoPro HERO9 Black video playlist on my channel. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.